The smoky eye isn't just makeup. It's a statement of confidence and glamour. It's a look that instantly elevates your presence, making you feel bold, mysterious, and ready for anything. With just a few strokes, you can transform your entire vibe, channeling the energy of icons past and present. It's been a favorite for decades, from Hollywood icons to modern trendsetters. Think of the silver screen legends who made the smoky eye their signature, and today's influencers who reinvent it with every new season. This look has stood the test of time, adapting to every era while never losing its allure. The magic? It makes your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more intense. The smoky eye draws attention, creating a captivating focal point that can transform even the simplest outfit into something unforgettable. It's a little bit of drama, a little bit of mystery, and a whole lot of fun. Whether you want drama for a night out or a softer look for day, the smoky eye is endlessly versatile. You can go bold and sultry for evening events, or keep it light and subtle for a fresh daytime look. There's a version of the smoky eye for every mood, every occasion, and every personality. Many think it's complicated, but it's all about simple steps and a bit of practice. Even if you're a beginner, you can master this look with patience and the right guidance. Don't let the dramatic results fool you. Anyone can achieve a smoky eye with the right approach. Think of your eyelid as a canvas. Each layer of color adds depth and intrigue. Just like a painter, you'll build up shades, blending and shaping until you create something uniquely yours. The process is creative, relaxing, and surprisingly forgiving. We'll break it down into easy, creative stages. From choosing your colors to blending them seamlessly, you'll see how each step builds on the last. No need to rush, enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. Forget perfection. This is about experimenting and discovering what works for you. Try different shades, play with intensity, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every attempt teaches you something new about your style and technique. The essence of a smoky eye is a seamless gradient, not harsh lines. It's about soft transitions, gentle blending, and creating a look that feels effortless and natural, even when it's bold. It's all about blending from dark to light for that smoldering effect. The secret is in the transition, how the colors melt into each other, creating depth and dimension that make your eyes pop. We'll build the look step by step, like a stop-motion artist bringing a vision to life. Each layer adds character, and every brushstroke brings you closer to your masterpiece. The journey is just as rewarding as the result. Let's start this adventure together. Mistakes are just part of the creative process. If you smudge or blend too far, it's easy to fix. Makeup is about having fun, expressing yourself, and learning as you go. By the end, you'll know how to create a classic smoky eye and feel empowered by your new skill. You'll have the confidence to experiment, to try new looks, and to make the smoky eye your own signature. Look in the mirror and see a work of art you created. Every brushstroke, every blend, every color choice is a reflection of your creativity and style. Ready to unlock the magic? Let's dive in. The journey begins now, and your masterpiece awaits. Before we dive into the artistry of a smoky eye, let's make sure we have everything we need within arm's reach. Preparation is the secret to a smooth, stress-free makeup session. So take a moment to gather your essentials and set the mood for creativity. Start with an eyeshadow primer. This little product is a game changer. It creates a smooth base, helps your eyeshadow colors pop, and keeps your look fresh and vibrant all day or night. If you don't have a primer, a dab of concealer can work in a pinch. Next, choose your eyeshadow palette. For a classic smoky eye, you'll want 3 shades: a light highlight for the brow bone and inner corner, a medium transition shade for blending, and a deep, dark color for drama and depth. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. Charcoal, plum, or even navy can make a stunning statement. Matte textures are perfect for blending and creating that signature smoky effect, while a touch of shimmer on the lid or inner corner adds beautiful dimension and catches the light just right. When it comes to brushes, you don't need a huge collection. A flat shader brush is ideal for packing on color. A fluffy blending brush helps you achieve seamless transitions, and a pencil brush is perfect for adding detail along the lash line or in the crease. Don't forget eyeliner. A black or dark brown pencil is easiest for beginners and gives you control for smudging or defining your eyes. Gel or liquid liners work too, but pencils are more forgiving if you're just starting out. Mascara is a must for bold, voluminous lashes that complete the smoky eye look. Choose a formula that adds both length and volume for maximum impact. Keep cotton swabs and makeup remover handy for quick fixes. They're lifesavers for cleaning up fallout or perfecting your lines, so you don't have to start over if you make a small mistake. With all your tools and products organized and ready, you're setting yourself up for a flawless, professional-looking smoky eye. A tidy workspace helps you focus and enjoy the process. Think of yourself as an artist. Your palette is ready, your brushes are your tools, and your face is the canvas. This is your time to play, experiment, and express yourself. Take a moment to lay out your supplies and set up your space. Confidence comes from preparation, and a well-organized setup makes the whole experience more enjoyable. Now, with everything in place, let's prep your canvas and get ready to create a stunning smoky eye look together. Every masterpiece starts with a clean canvas, so cleanse and moisturize your eyelids. Apply a lightweight eye cream and let it absorb. Next, use a small dot of eyeshadow primer on each lid. Gently tap and blend the primer from lash line to brow bone. Let it set until slightly tacky. For extra smoothness, dust a nude eyeshadow or translucent powder over the primer. This step ensures your shadows blend easily and last all day. Prepping your lids is the secret to a flawless finish. With your canvas ready, it's time for color. Take a breath. Your eyes are prepped for artistry. Let's move to the first wash of color. Onward. Time to lay down the base. Use your flat shader brush to apply the lightest shade all over your lid, from inner to outer corner. This brightens your eyes and sets the stage for depth. Dab a bit of the same shade in your inner corners and under your brow arch for a lifted, wide-awake look. This simple step adds instant dimension. It's the foundation for the smoky effect. Take your time to ensure an even, luminous base. The light is set. Now for the shadows. Let's build depth. Now, let's add depth with your medium transition shade. Use your fluffy blending brush to sweep this color into and just above your crease, focusing on the outer third. Blend in windshield wiper motions for a soft, diffused effect. Build up the color gradually for a seamless gradient. Next, grab your dark shade with the flat shader brush. Pat it onto the outer third of your lid, below the crease, forming a subtle V shape. This placement elongates and lifts the eye. Layer and blend until you achieve the desired intensity. The secret is soft edges, no harsh lines. The smoky effect is taking shape, ready to blend it all together. Blending is the heart of the smoky eye. With a clean, fluffy brush, gently buff where the dark and medium shades meet using small circular motions. Soften the top edge into your highlight shade for a flawless transition. Now, define your lower lash line. Use a pencil brush to smudge the dark shade along the outer two-thirds, then blend with the medium shade. Layer and blend as needed. This is a process of building depth. If you lose intensity, simply add more color and reblend. Thin layers create richness and dimension. Each blend brings your look closer to perfection. The smoky eye is all about patience and artistry. Step back and admire your gradient. Ready for the finishing touches? Let's define and dramatize. Time to add definition. Line your upper lash line with a black pencil, staying close to the roots. Smudge the line with a pencil brush for a soft, smoky effect. For extra drama, tightline your waterline. Curl your lashes for lift, then apply volumizing mascara. Wiggle at the roots and sweep up. Add a light coat to your lower lashes for balance. Your eyes are now bold and captivating. The transformation is almost complete. Just a few quick fixes and you're done. Let's tackle common mistakes. Mistakes happen. Don't stress. For fallout, sweep it away with a clean brush or use sticky tape for stubborn specks. If your shadow looks harsh, blend with a clean brush and a bit of light powder. To sharpen the edge, use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover and swipe upward from the outer corner. If one eye is darker, add a thin layer to the other for balance. Remember, your eyes should look like sisters, not twins. Quick fixes keep your look polished. Now let's celebrate your creation. You did it! You've just completed a classic smoky eye, and that's something to be proud of. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and creativity. Admire your classic smoky eye in the mirror. Notice how the shades transition smoothly, creating a look that's both bold and elegant. The colors blend seamlessly, adding depth and sparkle to your eyes. Each layer you applied brings out a new dimension, making your eyes the center of attention. Wear it with confidence. Makeup is your tool for self-expression. Whether you're heading to a party or just want to feel fabulous at home, your smoky eye is a statement of your unique style. Now that you've mastered the basics, don't be afraid to experiment with new color palettes, bronze, jewel tones, or anything you love. Try mixing unexpected shades or adding a pop of shimmer for a fresh twist. The technique stays the same, only the colors change. This means you can create endless looks, from subtle and soft to dramatic and daring, all with the same blending skills you've learned. Practice makes progress. Each attempt brings you closer to perfection. Don't worry if it's not flawless every time. Every try helps you improve and discover what works best for you. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. Makeup is about having fun, expressing yourself, and embracing your individuality. Remember, makeup is fun, not stressful. It washes off, so you can always try again tomorrow. Each day is a new opportunity to play with colors and styles. I hope this guide inspires you to keep exploring and expressing your unique style. Let your imagination guide you, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. You have the skills and knowledge. Now, keep playing and discovering. Every look you create is a chance to learn and grow as an artist. Let your smoky eye be a reflection of your artistry and personality. Show the world your creativity and let your eyes tell your story. Own your look and let your confidence shine. When you feel good about your makeup, it shows in everything you do. The world is your runway. Go rock your smoky eye and inspire others with your bold, beautiful style.